Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Air, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Now let's find Version and keep tapping on the build number until you will see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, then I highly recommend to check our video about that. I've just recorded it and there you can learn more. Alright, so now we have to enter the additional settings here. Scroll down to the very bottom and enter developer options, and here basically scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. In my case this option is turned off, so just tap on it to turn it on, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted, which is crucial. It simply means that you don't really have to remember about updating your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so your device will be allowed to apply the updates. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your OPPO Pad Air. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.